What the heck is a function?
A function is a way to shorten a longer piece of code that repeats over and over again.
By using variables.
A function is a shorter way to write a large...
A function is a way to shorten a larger chunk of code.
I know what they are, but I don't know how to explain them. Hey Marshall, what is a function?
It's a form of abstraction in which multiple lines of code are condensed into one line of code for ease of coding and also readability.
It hates us. Take it down somewhere.
It's a shortcut that repeats directions whenever you want it to.
Let's say Milo's a robot and we want to write a code to have him perform the task of eating a snack. If we just say eat a banana, we won't get what we want. And Milo won't either. Hey Milo, eat a banana.
Okay.
Now let's say that eat a banana is a function rather than just a line of code. We can use this to give him specific directions as to how to perform the task.
We wrote a fake program to show you what an eat a banana function would look like. So just under the motor and sensor setup, here's the function. In bananas is a parameter that tells us how many bananas the robot will eat. In bites is a variable that tells us how many times the robot will bite each banana. This repeat function will repeat the value of the parameter. Here's the steps in eating a banana. This repeat is for the variable of bites. Currently it's set at 5, so we will repeat it 5 times. These closed parentheses are what you have to put after every void function you make. All of these functions, like bite banana, peel banana, and pick up banana, aren't actually functions that Robot-C comes with. These are functions in themselves. You can use functions in other functions. The reason why the parentheses are empty is because even though you don't have a parameter in the function, you still have to put those parentheses or else it won't recognize it as a function command. This whole function goes before task main. So, in task main, this line of code is telling the robot to repeat the eat bananas function 3 times.
Hey Milo, compile and download. Play!
Okay. Too much ionizing radiation for one day. I'm done with bananas.
Now let's take this back to the real world. To write our autonomous code, we used functions. 7 of them, in fact. The first is the gyro turn to accurately turn the robot with the gyro sensor. The next 3 use time to move the drive, the plow, and the arm. 5, 6, and 7 use encoder values to do the same thing. Boom! 7 functions for our autonomous.
Once we programmed each function, it made programming way easier. This is the gyro function we use to turn accurately. So how we start is void gyro int degree, which is setting a command we can use in task main down here. This is setting a variable so we can change it, input a number in task main, and then what happens is gyroturn is the name of our gyro sensor, and it detects the degree it's currently at, and it says if the current degree is greater than the variable we inputted here, then it's going to turn a certain way, and it's going to turn a certain way. If it's the other way, it's going to turn the other way. So it goes set motor left drive, which sets it the left drive motor going forward slow, and then it's a set motor right drive -15, which makes it the robot turn slowly, and then it says wait until the current degree of the robot is greater than the variable we put in here, plus 2, because we need a threshold so it won't overshoot. And then it sets the motor off. It sets the motor to the opposite way, so it just for a moment. But then it says if center value gyro turn is less than the degree we inputted, then the same thing, except it turns the opposite way. And so right here in task main, we have a function, gyro in parentheses -90, closing parentheses, semicolon, which means since we set this up here, we don't have to rewrite this giant bit of code. We can just condense it into one line, and that's what functions are for.
Milo, when I say to eat a banana, I mean to separate it from the bunch, pick it up, peel it, put it to your face, and take a carefully measured bite. So, eat a banana.
Okay.
We'll put a copy of our autonomous code in the comments so you can take a look. Hey, Marshall!
Every function command starts with void.
Incorrect. Some of them can start with int or float, depending on if they have an output
That's
or
not a function.
That is a function.
No, it's setting a. That's a variable.
It can be a function too. It outputs something after performing a calculation. That's what an int or float function is.
But that's not what the kind of function we're talking about.
Just call it a void function. Sound good?